Very good morning to all of you guys. This is Rubina. Hoping that you all are preparing well for the exam. If so, that there is a good news for all the aspirants, those who are preparing for NET exam. Just now we received the update from the website. Finally, NTA has been released the exam dates after many clashes with other exams. You can also check it in the website. Finally, the exams will going to held from 20th November onwards. According to the schedule, the admit cards will also be issued soon. Don't worry for that. You just focus on your preparation. Finally, NDA has given the good news for the NET aspirants from its end. Then, what we have to do from our end? We have to start preparing for the exam from now onwards. If you have go through the dates, hardly we have 40 to 45 days. If you prepare yourself very hard within these days, definitely you can crack the exam. As we all know that these exams will carry a lot of weightage in our future. If we discuss about our preparation, let us discuss few important points before going to attend the exam. No matter how much you have studied throughout the year, but in the few days before the exam, try your best to study. Create a balanced study plan, make a schedule of it. Do as many as previous exam papers, try to solve it. Like mock test, attend the mock test, utilize effective time management because time is precious. This helps you to know the format of the paper along with time limit, how much time we need to spend for each question. By attending the previous exam papers as well as mock test, it will helps you to know the format of the exam paper. Keep a track of what you have revised instead of repeating the same topic. From my side, the most important advice is not to read the new topic. Don't go to the new topic before the exam because it makes you forget what you have read learned. And don't mix up all the units at a time. Prepare the revision notes and make a note of important points or topics because as we having a vast syllabus, it will become difficult to revise all the topic in a few days. As we already know, management is a vast syllabus. If we mix up with all the units, it may difficult to revise the topic. So please don't mix up all the units. Prepare the revision note, make a important points as it helps you remember all the subject. Kindly utilize your time properly to get maximum result out. Hoping that these tips will help you for your exam preparation. If you want to boost your preparation, kindly go through my YouTube channel and subscribe it, as we are coming with a more quick revision mock test. You can go through the previous videos which I have given in the description box. Those who have already subscribed, stay tuned for more updates. Kindly share this video with your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching this video. Shining off.